Imagine soaring high above breathtaking landscapes. Welcome to Guilin. Known for its stunning Karst mountains and serene rivers, Guilin is a must-visit destination in China. Today we'll explore its top tourist spots from a bird's-eye view. Our first destination is the iconic Li River. This river meanders through limestone cliffs, offering a picturesque backdrop. As the drone captures its winding path, notice how it shimmers in the sunlight. Next, let's glide towards the Elephant Trunk Hill. This famous rock formation resembles an elephant drinking water. It's an excellent spot for photography. Capture its unique shape as the drone hovers above. Moving on, we arrive at the Reed Flute Cave. This natural wonder is filled with colorful stalactites and stalagmites. The drone's aerial view highlights the cave's entrance, inviting visitors inside. Now we journey to the Longji Rice Terraces. These stunning terraces cascade down the mountains. They showcase the beauty of traditional farming. From above, the patterns in the fields are mesmerizing. Next, we explore Yangshuo, famous for its outdoor activities and breathtaking views. The drone captures the vibrant town and its surroundings. You can see cyclists and adventurers enjoying the landscape. Don't miss Xingping Ancient Town, known for its charming streets and riverside views. The drone's focus on traditional architecture tells stories of Guilin's history. Finally, let's visit the Seven-Star Park. Home to unique rock formations and lush gardens, this park is perfect for a family outing. Watch picnics unfold as the drone captures joyful moments. In summary, Guilin offers stunning scenery and rich culture. Each destination has its charm, from the Li River to Yangshuo. Plan your visit to experience these sights in person. Feel inspired to discover Guilin? Start planning your drone adventure today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.